Welcome guys, HJ here, and we are back with another Feature Friday. In this video, our featured artist, Yumi's Art Box, will be showing you how to use neon paints, a few tips and tricks. All of her information is detailed in the caption below.
How's it? I'm Yumi from Yumi's Art Box. Today, I'm going to be showing you a tip using one of my favorite Angelus products, the neon paints. What I usually do is use the neon as highlights on my artwork to create a really cool UV blacklight effect. So I start off by painting my normal artwork, and then as I use my neons, I paint under a blacklight. Having a base color set down first showcases the paints the best, or on top of a white surface. You're going to want to switch back and forth from regular light and your blacklight to check your work as you paint. If you feel that the neons are a bit too transparent, use them in thin layers at a time, or paint on top of a solid color closest to the neon color. For example, I would use a pale yellow, let it dry, and then use Neon Tropic Sun Yellow over it, or even the Sunset Yellow. I appreciate you all watching, encourage you to keep painting, and create something you can't have. Mahalo from Yumi's Art Box.
Huge thank you to Yumi, and if you found this video helpful, please comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys would like to see next, and if you'd like to be featured, all the information on how to do that is linked below. Take care guys, and happy creating. And here are some super cool videos that I also made that you might want to check out. Thanks guys, and happy watching.